In this video, I'm going to show you how to mount the eufy S220. So let's take a look at the different parts of the mount. So this is the mount, and you can see that it's got a ball and socket joint holder, which actually attaches to the security camera. And then you've got 3 wall plugs and 3 Phillips screws as well, which are provided. And realistically, you should only need 2 wall plugs and 2 screws. Let me take this mount apart quickly so we can see the different parts of it. So we can see once you take it apart, you've got the top part of it there, you've got the ball and socket joint there. This grey piece of metal is what holds the ball and socket joint, and then this is actually your back plate that will sit against your brick wall and mount on your brick wall or on your wooden post or whatever. Another piece of kit that you've got to help put your mount on the wall is this camera mounting screw positioning card, which sounds very, very grand, but it's just this. It's just a great sticker that you stick up on the wall, and it helps you to mark out where you're going to drill for the screw holes. So if you look in the quick start guide for the eufy 220, the eufy S220, sorry, you will see that it recommends that you actually mount the camera at a height from 7 to 10 feet. So here I've got my tape measure here, and if we look down here, there's 6 foot there, and then further down to the bottom is 7 foot. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount it just on the brick just above where the tape measure is. So here's my drill, and then I've got 2 drill bits here. Now the quick start manual from eufy recommend that you've got a 6mm drill bit, which is this one here, of course. And then I've got a much smaller drill bit that I'm going to use to drill a pilot hole, because when I'm drilling into something hard as brick, then I always find that pilot holes work. The other thing here, as you can see on my drill, I've got it on the hammer setting here, which will help go into the brick, and I've also got it on in the 2 position, which gives a more powerful kick to the drill. So you can see here that I've done my 2 pilot holes. An important thing is to get the pilot holes as level as possible, because that will then help with keeping the security camera itself level. So there are my holes, and I've put one of the wall plugs in, so now I just have to bang the other wall plug in, and then we're ready to put the back plate of the mount on. So you can see up there that I've screwed 1 screw all the way in. I've just got the other screw to go in, and then we're ready to put the rest of the mount on. So there you have it, the back plate is firmly in place. You can see in the back plate those 2 rounded rectangular slits. Which is where this part, the next part of the mount goes. That part of the mount just clips into, or slots into, those rounded rectangular slits that I showed you, and you can see the curved end here is for the ball and socket joint. So here I've got the screw-in cap of the mount, and then you can see that I've put the ball and socket joint in already in place like that. Screw the cap in place as tightly as you can really, because then that means the tighter you go, the more secure this ball and socket joint in is, and therefore the more secure it's going to hold your camera. So this is the back of the S220 camera, and you can see you've got the metal screw holes where we're going to attach it to the mount. So you can see that I have screwed the S220 onto the mount and it's nice and secure, and the only thing left for me to do is to tilt the camera down. Eufy recommend about an angle of 10 degrees slope, which will help with the motion detection, it will help with the picture quality, but it will also help get the solar panel on top of the camera at the right angle to get the most charge from sunny days.